Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making another simple recipe, a Roka Blue Cheese Ball. Now, you can take these to a tailgate party, office party, Thanksgiving dinner, any kind of thing like that. These are just delicious. And if you don't like Roka Blue, you haven't tasted these, because I'm not a huge fan of Roka Blue cheese, but it goes perfect in this dish. So stick around and check it out. As I mentioned, this is a super simple recipe. There's really only 5 ingredients. You got 2 blocks of cream cheese, your favorite brand, a jar of Roka Blue cheese, a little bit of garlic salt for seasoning, some pecans to roll the cheese ball in afterwards. I have pecan halves, but I'm going to crush these up a little bit, and that way you got smaller pieces of pecans. And once the cheese ball's all together and you got it on the plate, I like to finish them off. My favorite's Townhouse crackers, but you can use your favorite crackers, and this cheese ball is delicious. So let's get right to showing you how to do this. Okay, so I got our 2 blocks of cream cheese unwrapped and in the bowl, and we're gonna add our Roka Blue cheese here. Let's get a spatula. This stuff doesn't come out of here very easy. Actually, I might even get a spoon and pull this out, but again, 2 blocks of cream cheese. Get as much of that Roka Blue cheese out of the jar as possible. Then, basically what we're going to do is mix it together after we season it here. So, if I was measuring, it's probably about 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt, or garlic salt, I'm sorry. If I was measuring, 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, not too much, because the flavor will amplify over time. And basically, you're just going to want to mix these together. I use a fork because it cuts through and kind of blends a little better. But you just basically want to pulverize this and mix as well as you can. So if you see big chunks of either the cream cheese or the blue cheese, then mix it in real good. So that's probably pretty good mixed. So we're going to get as much of this cheese off the mixing fork as possible. And we're going to use our spatula and kind of form this into a ball. It can be a little challenging because this cheese is sticky. All right, so there we go. We're going to put this on a plate, cover it with pecans, and it's going to be good. Okay, as I mentioned before, I got pecan halves, but we kind of want these in pieces, so just use a rolling pin or something that you can kind of smash these up a little bit with. There you go. You got these nice and smashed. So good pieces on there. Now we're going to get them on the plate. And basically, and we got a couple whole ones in there still. Whole halves, I should say. So we want to spread this out. Might have to crush up some more. This is a big cheese ball. And basically, we're going to roll this right onto here, and we're going to kind of form our cheese ball as we cover it with pecans. So our hands are going to get a little messy here. But I try to put some pecans on like this, and it saves my hands getting too messy. Because as you handle a cheese ball, you'll get this cheese, but if you got the pecans already on there, you don't get as... And basically, see, we're just forming the cheese ball as we roll it in pecans. Actually, looks like this will be all the pecans we need. We're going to use these all up. And just roll this real good here. Just want to use up all your pecans. There's no, I don't use a real measurement here. It's just till the pecans make the cheese ball look real nice. All right. There you go. Roka Blue Cheese Ball, ready to eat. Enjoy with your favorite crackers. And as always, I hope you enjoy these recipes. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you haven't already, click that little thumbs up and like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Click the bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. Please leave me a comment. Tell me if you like this video. Tell me if you want me to do a special recipe and broadcast it here for you. Thanks for tuning in and have a great day. Thank you.